ladies and gentlemen, Suzuki GSX-R750, claiming 148 brake horsepower. I completely spaced on the torque number. I believe it's like 70 foot-pounds of torque, 60, 70 foot-pounds of torque. Weighing it at 419 pounds at a price of $12,849. Yeah, something tells me this bike is going to be pretty quick and fun to ride. So all right, throw a leg over the GSX-R750. Whew. I will say this, it's got a nice sound to it. This bike weighs 419 pounds, claimed wet weight, which is really, really light for this bike. We are in a super aggressive riding position now. Here we go. Oh, and we get to follow the big brother. This does not have a quick shifter. Fully adjustable front suspension, fully adjustable rear, and an amazingly aggressive foot position. Are you not happy?
It's not very comfy.
No, it's not. None of these are super comfortable. Honestly, I keep forgetting about there's no quick shifter on this bike. And he's not wrong. You know, these bikes are not comfortable at all. That's not what this bike is for. It's not what it's built for. Comfort was not in mind. When they built this bike. They were built this bike for speed. I'm in second gear, 8,000 RPMs. I have half of the RPM gauge left to go. So yeah, no, this is not comfortable. But this is fast. And it feels fast. Now I will say this, the seat is very vibrational. This one doesn't get vibrational though until you get to like 7,000 RPMs. Bike's really good. Woo! Oh baby, there's a kick at that RPM range. It kicks in and just runs. Yeah. Oh, I love sport bikes. I love sport bikes a lot. Man, what a great bike. This has, I think, the one thing that I really like about this bike, honestly, is that it's a little bit more minimalist. I don't see a lot of massive electronic nannies on this bike. I don't even see a rider mode on this bike. It probably has one, but I don't see one. And I like that a lot, because the bike has to respond to me. It really has to respond to me. It has to do what I want it to do. Whew. Really wish this had a quick shifter. That's the only thing I wish this had, would be a quick shifter. You literally have to rev the shit out of this though. I mean, you can't, like right now, I'm still in second gear. I could be in first right now. He knows how to ride it though. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Suzuki GSX-R750. Whew. Great sound, great ride.
Okay. I can try.
Special thanks to them. Everybody stay safe and enjoy the ride.